Looking forward for Astronomy 100 for Thursday, the 23rd of January, 2014. As you get ready for class on Friday, I'd like you to read units 6.3, 10, and 11 out of the book. Beyond that, I'd like you to think about the following question. Are you moving? Do you feel like you're moving right now? And what conclusion would you draw based upon that regarding the Earth and how it goes? A second question I'd like you to think about is, do all the stars move the same way? Do they all move together as a unit? And is the type of their motion the same? What are the implications of that in terms of the stars, their relative motion to each other, and things such as navigation? Now, from that type of model, there's one more thing that we probably should think about, and that actually has to do with the planets. We saw it in class the other day, but let's actually consider the case where we have some stars. I'll put a background to stars. Let's say we have star 1 here, star 2 here, star 3 here, star 4 here, star 5 even further over. And let's imagine we went out every night and we tried to see where the planets were. One of the things that we saw was the planets generally move across the sky. It might be here on day 1. Day 2 at the same time, let's say midnight, it's closer to star 2. Let's say day 3, it's right by star number 2. Day 4, it gets between stars 2 and 3. Day 5, it gets almost all the way to star 3. And then, what we may have noticed if we look carefully is that the planets almost seem to go backwards for a little while, depending upon the planet. And then magically, magic's cool for parties, but not a whole lot of fun for science. Magically, the planet starts to go forward again. If we were to draw that out, it goes something like this. Forward, forward, forward. Back around, and then forward again. This is actually given a name. It's common in many planets. It's called retrograde motion. And the question is, why does that happen? And what does that mean? Because we're sitting in a universe where all the stars and planets are going around us and we aren't moving. I can't think of any way to make that happen. I'd like you to think about that. What that means and what that may tell us about how the universe is constructed. This is Dr. Doty, and that's Looking Forward. I look forward to seeing you in class tomorrow.